ready to fry, and this is the one I use. You can see the design. Ito na lahat, 8 pieces lang. 9 pieces ito dapat, kaya lang naumpisahan ko ng kinain kanina yung isa. So ito yung ano. Ayan. Ito yung palaman niya na grated apples at konting walnuts. Parang ano siya, parang empanada. Ayan. Assalamualaikum everyone. Today I'm going again to make another new kind of recipe. So these are all the ingredients. This is all-purpose flour, and this is wet flour, baking powder, 1 egg yolk, butter, and yogurt. So I will start now to mix these ingredients. So this one is 1 cup is equivalent to 236 ml. So I need 300 gram of all-purpose flour and wet flour. So what I'm going to do is I have to mix this one, half of this all-purpose flour and half of this wet flour. You can use also pure wet flour, but this is my own version, so I have to mix wet flour and all-purpose flour. So this is 1 cup all-purpose flour and wet flour, and then butter, I have to use 4 teaspoons of butter. Oh, sorry. And I need more. And then we have to mix by hand like this. Now I'll already mix by hand. Now next we have to mix what we call this, baking powder. What is this? Half teaspoon of baking powder. And then yogurt. And yogurt, we have to put 4 tablespoons of yogurt. Ayan. For 3 tablespoons of yogurt, then you have to mix with spatula. And then we have to put now this one, egg yolk. Now we can use now hand to mix this, knead this flour or this mixed ingredients. I think we have to add more flour here, wet flour. Now we have to knead like this. Now we knead by hand. Masahiin natin ng almost 5 minutes.
hawak-hawak ko itong mobile. So I think this is enough. And then we leave this one for more than 20 minutes. Ayan. Ito na yung dough. And then ito din yung fillings na grated apples at saka konting walnuts. So what I have to do is I have to form this one into circle. And I will use these tools for using a design. Divide natin ito mga 10 pieces. 10 pieces balls. Two, 4, 6, 8, 9. Gawin nating 10 pieces. So ito na yung balls, 9 pieces lang. So gawin natin dito ay ganyan natin, and then make like this. And then lagyan na natin ng palaman. Kunting palaman. Ayan. This is last. You can see here, design. Ayan. So ito lahat yung aking 9 pieces. Ayan. Mag-grate tayo ng 3 apple ito na medium size. Ay, lumukso. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko, mas ito malalaki. Now we will put this butter, Blue Band. I use Blue Band butter, yan. 1 teaspoon lang. And then we will put now this grated apples and little what you call this, walnuts. Fatma, give me sugar, please. Sugar. Sugar. What about